What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hell yeah! Can we get it done? Follow along as we race against the clock to finish this S14, install the fully built KA, and hopefully hear this thing roar to life for the first time. So you guys seen there, I got the exhaust pulled out, and you're probably wondering why I'm taking it out. I added that flex section, but I didn't account for the added length. So I have to cut some of this length out and get this thing to streamline down the bottom.
Don't worry about your boy now. He's doing good.
It ain't got no gas in it.
I tried using bread, grease, even a bearing puller and pipe wrenches. All four of those failed. I got one more option to get this bearing out. Let's see if we can get it. So after several failed attempts, I finally got the autopilot bushing out. On top of that, I've already got the flywheel, clutch plate, pressure plate, everything is on. Now I just gotta somewhat prep this to accept that. Let's get this motor in and let's see if we can get it started. All right, attempt number 2. I had to hook up the computer to see what's going on inside the ECU. We got a couple pops and bangs, but we'll see now. Not uploading this video until this thing started. Got it started, a whole debacle. You guys won't believe exactly what was going on. Still a distributor car, but I switched it to coil on plug. Just threw the distributor in there. Didn't check to see if it was on the number 1 cylinder or where it was at. I just put it on, said, all right, that's good. Went to go try to start it. Couldn't figure it out to save my life. I was going through everything trying to figure out why this car did not want to start. I had finally got to the point where I went ahead and moved that distributor, and there we go. So yeah, I told you guys I wasn't gonna be uploading this video until this engine started. I finally figured it out. Distributor was not set to number 1 at TDC, and that was my issue and why it was causing it not to start. So once I was able to get that situated, fired right up. Now, not only did it fire right up, but this thing is running so smooth. The one thing that was expected was a little bit of the cackling noise because of the 272 cams and those dual valve springs. It's a lot of pressure right there, and it almost gives it a diesel sound. But honestly, knowing what this thing is going to do in the higher RPM, I am not worried about it. Besides the short that I posted about the automatic pilot bushing, I haven't got a video out in almost 3 weeks. I think it's actually longer than 3 weeks. It's probably been a month. I'm gonna go ahead and thrash to get this video edited and uploaded for you guys and give you guys something to watch over the weekend. If you guys watch my channel, then I know you guys watch FD. Please keep everybody in your prayers that's down there in New Jersey right now with all that tornado stuff happening. Jeff Jones, his car actually got destroyed by a tree. A lot of the teams had a lot of devastating damage, and I would love for you guys to go over there and support FD. I'd really love for you guys to join me over on the other social media platforms as well, on Facebook and Instagram. I got a lot of cool behind the scenes content that's coming up and that I've already posted, and I'd love for you guys to see it, interact with it, hit the like, comment, share it around with a couple of your car friends, and let's get some conversation going. Now it's time to thrash to get this video edited and uploaded, and you guys already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good day.